Eastern Health, Newfoundland and Labrador's largest health authority and one of the province's biggest employers, providing hospital, community, and long-term care to the people of our region and specialized services to the entire province. 13,000 employees working towards a single vision: healthy people, healthy communities. Focusing on quality and safety, improved access, population health, and a strong, sustainable system. Together, we can.
Together.
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 Together we can.
At Eastern Health, we serve more than 290,000 people in the Eastern region and provide high-level services to all the residents of our province. The Eastern Health region stretches from St. John's to Port Blandford and covers the Avalon, Burin, and Bonavista Peninsulas.
I want you to close your hand, not too tight.
And we're not just big, we're unique. We treat men, women, and children throughout their lives and in all circumstances. This full continuum of healthcare allows for a more seamless delivery of Eastern Health's hundreds of programs and services. Our services include public health, home and community services, long-term care, hospital care, as well as unique provincial programs such as cancer care, cardiac care, child and women's health, and mental health and addictions. All delivered by a dedicated team of employees, 13,000 strong.
Good morning, Eastern Health. Catherine speaking. Certainly, one moment.
Eastern Health is rooted in the communities it serves. We believe that when individuals are healthy, communities are healthy, and we are committed to working with all community partners to realize our vision.
How you doing, Melissa?
Good, good. How are you doing?
Pretty good, bud.
Excellent. We'll have a look now before we get started.
All right.
Looks good.
Every member of the Eastern Health team plays an important role in providing the best care possible to our patients, clients, residents, and their families. To accomplish that, we are guided by a common set of values: respect for those we serve and for each other; integrity, valuing honesty and open communication; fairness, making sure our resources are distributed equally; connectedness, recognizing and celebrating the strength of each person and service that make up the whole of Eastern Health; and excellence, pursuing and promoting excellence in all that we do. At Eastern Health, our aim is to improve our processes and outcomes, whether that is with advanced paramedicine training to provide better on-the-spot care in emergencies, or by opening primary health care clinics where they are needed most. The goal is to improve both care and access to care by offering the required services when and where they are needed. Our employees are our greatest resource. Our teams of nurses, physicians, employees, and volunteers offer their best efforts every day and in every circumstance, often going that extra mile to ensure the necessary care is given.
Okay, we're all set to go there.
In healthcare, change is constant. As services evolve and technology advances, our physicians and staff bring new ideas and innovations to life. They translate strategy into action.
The tumor's in his tonsil. This should be pretty stable right around here.
Okay, so if I scan from the top of the head to the crown, it should...
And we teach tomorrow's healthcare providers. At Eastern Health, we value lifelong learning, all with an aim to improve processes, approaches, and outcomes, and to improve the quality of work life at Eastern Health. We strive for a healthy work environment where staff are encouraged to take initiative and try new things for the benefit of those we serve. An atmosphere of trust and confidentiality is essential in healthcare. Our employees are trustworthy and discreet and protective of their patients' health and health information. This dedication to duty holds true through the full continuum of care at Eastern Health, From our very youngest patients to our most senior residents in our long-term care facilities. Bringing our best to those we care for takes a shared commitment on the part of all those who call Eastern Health their professional home. Teamwork is essential to a positive work environment and to a positive outcome for our residents, patients, and clients.
Together, we can help children move better, breathe deeper, and become stronger.
Together, we can offer primary and mental health care to people
Right where they are.
Together.
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 Together, we can use the latest technology
to provide the best possible cardiac care.
Together, we can make sure that supplies needed for quality health care
are stocked and ready to go.
Together, we can provide safe and accurate radiation treatment for our cancer patients.
Together, we can provide a clean and safe environment for our patients and residents.
Together.
Together?
Together. Together, we can make sure information is transmitted efficiently.
Together, we can respond to emergencies.
Quickly and effectively.
Together.
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 Together, we can.